Are you looking to expand your culinary horizons without spending years in culinary school? While many people assume that international cooking requires rare ingredients and complex skills, did you know you can actually master 5 iconic global dishes in a single week using items already in your pantry? In this video, we'll guide you through 5 essential recipes that serve as a masterclass for home cooks, focusing on fundamental techniques that produce professional-grade results. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring how to transform your kitchen into a global bistro. These dishes aren't just about the flavor, they are about the why behind the cooking. Let's get started. First things first, Thai-style fried rice. This 15-minute dish is your introduction to the art of high-heat cooking and flavor layering. To avoid a mushy texture, the golden rule is using chilled, day-old rice combined with eggs, garlic, and any crisp vegetables you have available. The core technique involves a staged cooking process. You scramble the eggs and sauté the veggies separately, removing them to ensure the rice has direct contact with the searing hot pan to get those signature crispy edges. This works because it shifts your focus from expensive ingredients to the importance of heat management and timing. Second, the Aromatic Indian Dal. In just 30 minutes, most of which is hands-off, you'll learn the secret to building deep flavors with legumes and spices. Whether you use red lentils or a standard pantry mix, the magic happens when you bloom your spices like cumin and turmeric in hot oil for 30 seconds before adding your aromatics and liquids. Finishing the simmer with a bright squeeze of lemon juice brings the whole dish to life. This works because it proves that you don't need 20 different spices to create a complex meal. Just 3 or 4 used correctly can create a masterpiece. Third, Japanese Oyakodon. This 20-minute comfort bowl is a lesson in subtlety and the delicate balance of umami. By simmering chicken thighs and onions in a savory sweet broth of soy sauce and sugar, you create a rich base for the eggs. The critical technique here is gentle poaching. You pour your beaten eggs over the mixture and cover the pan just until they reach a soft, barely set consistency. This works because it teaches you the Japanese principle of respecting ingredients by avoiding overcooking, resulting in a silky, refined texture. Fourth, Mexican Salsa Verde. Ready in just 10 minutes, this recipe explores the contrast between roasted depth and raw brightness. By placing tomatillos and chilies under a broiler until they are blistered and charred, you unlock a smoky sweetness that is then balanced by blending them with raw onion, cilantro, and lime. This works because it highlights a cornerstone of Mexican cuisine, the intentional layering of charred cooked elements with fresh acidic ones to create a multi-dimensional sauce. Fifth, Middle Eastern sheet pan chicken. This 35-minute meal demonstrates the efficiency of one-pan cooking and the power of bold spice rubs. By tossing chicken, chickpeas, and hearty vegetables in a vibrant blend of cumin, paprika, and garlic, you create a complete feast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The technique focuses on high-temperature roasting to caramelize the vegetables, while keeping the protein juicy, finished with a final touch of fresh herbs. This works because it shows that authentic Middle Eastern flavors are perfectly accessible for a quick and impressive weeknight dinner. Finally, keep the culinary journey going. Now that you've mastered these 5 techniques, you have the foundation to experiment with even more international flavors. Cooking is a skill that grows with every meal, and these global staples are just the beginning of your journey as a confident host. Invite some friends over to share your new skills and keep exploring the incredible world of food. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.